What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Huawei MatePad T10 tablet. We will play a few of the most popular high-end games and we will see how good is the performance of this device and whether it is capable of running them properly or not. So let's start it. So as you can see that we got PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9 here. This device comes with just 16 GB internal storage and then user will get a fraction of that storage. So after installing PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9, I was not able to install any other game. So first I will play Asphalt 9, I will delete it, then I will install another game, Call of Duty Mobile, and I will play all these three. So right now the battery percentage is 92 and I'm going to use the performance mode to get the best performance out of this tablet here. So first of all, let's start with Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected high graphics quality. And now let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So the volume is full. And the sensitivity of the sensors is a bit weird because it's responding too much, I think. That's why I'm not able to control it properly. Boom. And here I came second after lots of difficulty. So the graphics quality was quite okay. And here as you can see that in the beginning I was like having lots of trouble in controlling my vehicle because of the responsiveness of the sensors. And the details are a bit less obviously because this is an entry-level tablet. But fortunately there was no lagging or frame drops. And the gameplay was mostly smooth even though we were playing this on high graphics quality. So let's go back from here and first of all let me uninstall this game to install Call of Duty Mobile and then play PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. So now I have installed the Call of Duty Mobile and as you can see that by default graphics quality is low, there is no other option, and frame rate is at medium. So I'm just going to use these default settings to play Call of Duty Mobile here on Huawei MatePad T10 tablet. So the graphics quality is not that great, lots of pixelation happening. For example, when I'm zooming in and if you have a look on the cross, it's not clearly visible. And there was a bit lagging that caused me to die. So a bit frame drop is so I'm not able to play this game properly. So if I'm bringing the character close to some objects or something, then you can see it's getting blurry and pixelated. And to be honest, I'm not able to play this game properly here. So maybe you're getting the idea that whether it's going to be good or bad if you are going to play this game on Call of Duty Mobile. And I guess my internet is having problem as well because I'm getting some frame drops. So I'm just gonna leave this game here and move to PUBG Mobile, because as you can see I'm not able to play this properly. I did not face this issue while playing this game on MatePad T10s that also come with pretty much same hardware specs. So you can see that even when I'm dying, then my replay is being played like after a gap of half second or something. So let's leave it here and let's move on to PUBG Mobile. So I'm just gonna close it and launch PUBG Mobile now. So here in the graphics setting, you can see by default balanced and medium are selected. If I go to HD, I can select it as well. HDR onwards are not available, and I can select high frame rate as well here. So let's play the game a bit on HD and high, and after that we will see if we are not able to play the game, we will go back to lower settings. So a bit of lagging is happening when I'm changing the camera angle. Now it's quite smooth. And if you have a look on the costume and the ground here, you can get the idea that the graphics quality is not good, especially the 3D graphics rendering is not great for sure. So once again, a bit of lagging and frame drops are happening when the scene is getting zoomed in. We are getting closer to the ground. Lots of lagging is happening. And once again, if you have a look on the ground here, you can see we are not getting much detail. And if you go to these cross and everything, so you can see not much detail we are getting, and also the 3D graphics rendering is not that great. Once again, if you have a look the body of the tank, you can see this part is totally blurred. Also the wheels and everything, not much detail, and it's pretty blurry here and there. So it's still good enough for playing the game. I guess if we switch to smooth and better frame rate, then it will be better, because the graphics quality is already not that great. So I think it's better to sacrifice it a bit more and select better FPS to play the game properly and enjoy it. So it seems not much action is going to happen in this area where I landed. So I'm just gonna skip it here, because all I'm trying to do is to give you an idea about the gaming capability of the device. And as you can see that, okay, once again slight lagging. So every time I was firing, there was like, we can say, a millisecond of delay or lagging. So as I was saying, like when we were playing Asphalt 9, it was quite nice. There was no frame drop or lagging, and the graphics quality was okay as well. I faced the most issue while playing Call of Duty Mobile, because it was lagging pretty frequently and frame drops were happening. I'm not sure whether you could see this or notice or not, but I was not able to play the game properly. And also the lowest graphics quality was by default on that game. And on PUBG Mobile, it seems okay. The graphics quality is not good. It's just playable. But the frame rate is still good. Not that much delay or frame drops are happening, especially because we are playing it on higher graphics setting, what the game itself advised to us. So if we reduce the graphics quality and also the frame rate, so I think it will be much better compared to what we are getting right now. But as I have mentioned earlier, since this device comes with just 16 GB storage, you won't be able to install lots of high-end heavy graphics game and play them, so you can't go more than 1 or 2 on this device. After I stopped recording the video, I kept playing PUBG Mobile for a while, and after playing like for 12-15 minutes, when there were only like 4 or 5 people remaining on the battle zone, at that time the game was force closed, and that's why I came back to say this thing, because this one got only 2 GB RAM, and even if it can run the high-end heavy graphics game, maybe after a while it will be force closed. And as you can see, this thing popped out on the screen that less than 1 GB of storage is remaining, because I was playing the game, so obviously the game data was getting accumulated in the internal storage of the device, and after a while it was force closed because of the lack of the space. So this is one of the things that you need to consider when it comes to gaming performance of MatePad T10 tablet. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.